कॉस्टिंग को हमेशा क्रिटिसाइज किया है कुछ लोगों ने. दिस इज दैट इट इज रिलेटेड विद द मैन्युफैक्चरिंग एक्टिविटी ओनली. आप उसको अपडेट क्यों नहीं करते हैं? द आंसर इज दिस टॉपिक, ऑपरेटिंग कॉस्टिंग. एक ऐसा टॉपिक जो डायरेक्टली सर्विस रिलेटेड एक्टिविटीज से ही कनेक्ट होता है, नॉट एट ऑल रिलेटेड टू मैन्युफैक्चरिंग एक्टिविटी, दैट इज ऑपरेटिंग कॉस्टिंग और सर्विस कॉस्टिंग. Obviously, first question comes, explain the term operating or service costing along with its unique features. Service costing is a tool which is used for giving the service to our client involved in services like taxi service, transportation service, we can say hotel service, hospital. इन लोगों को भी costing करना पड़ता है. Is it really? Yes. फॉर एग्जाम्पल, जब हम बस से जाते हैं और वो हमसे टिकट चार्जेस लेते हैं तो उसके पीछे बहुत बड़ी सोच लगती है, दैट कम्स अंडर द हेडिंग ऑपरेटिंग कॉस्टिंग. जब हम होटल में जाते हैं और वहां पे हम रेट्स पूछते हैं कि एग्जैक्टली पर रूम चार्जेस कितने होंगे, या हॉस्पिटल में सेमी के चार्जेस कितने या स्पेशल के चार्जेस कितने, ये सारी चीजें सर्विस कॉस्टिंग में आती है. So service costing or operating costing is a tool in which we prepare a cost sheet for a particular service and then we try to find out its cost as well as the collection to be made. The most important and unique feature of service costing is that यहाँ पे हमें यूनिट चॉइस करने के लिए बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट काम करना पड़ता है. फॉर एग्जाम्पल, इन केस ऑफ मैन्युफैक्चरिंग sector, say I am a manufacturer and seller of chairs, then what I will quote is 100 rupees per chair. Or if I am selling coconut oil, then it is 50 rupees per liter. But in case of service costing, the unique feature is you have to find out a unique and a different cost unit for it. For example, if it's a bus service, we have to find out per passenger kilometer, means for each passenger for 1 kilometer how much we have to charge. For hospitals, it will be per room per day, that is called as per room day. Or if it's a general ward, we can say per bed per day. So, दो बार ये per word आता है, that is per bed per day. That's a unique feature of service costing. To conclude, service costing is a sector, is a tool in which we prepare a cost sheet for our client relating to his particular service, which include operating expense and non-operating expense, and to find out a unique unit separately for each kind of service. What are the operating expenses then? Operating expenses are directly connected to running that service or giving that service. Generally in manufacturing activity we call it as a direct expense, comes under the heading prime cost. So यहाँ पे direct expense क्या हो सकते हैं? Like related to bus or transportation, it could be diesel cost, driver salary, cleaner salary, all the expenses which are directly connected to giving that service. If not paid, then the services will be discontinued. That is called as the operating cost, which comes as a first part of the cost sheet. Non-operating expenses, these are supporting, these are required but not compulsory. For example, accountant salary. If I have 50 buses running all over the city or state even, then I need some accounting department or accountants also. That cost is a common cost, non-operating expenses. Should it be considered in the cost sheet? Yes, it should be apportioned. That means आपके अकाउंटेंट की जो सैलरी वो सारे 50 बसेस पे आपको अपॉर्शन करनी होगी, so that you can find the exact cost. So non-operating expenses is a second part of the cost sheet, that is operating cost sheet, which include the indirect expenses not directly connected to the process. Explain the term passenger kilometer. Passenger kilometer means the cost calculated and expressed in terms of per passenger per kilometer. For example, मेरी एक बस सिटी ए से निकल के सिटी बी को जाती है, द कॉस्ट इज लेट्स से फॉर पर ट्रिप, वन वे ट्रिप इज 10,000. इस बस में 20 लोग बैठे हुए हैं, तो हाउ मच आई विल गेट फ्रॉम देम इज द टोटल कॉस्ट 1,000 टू बी कलेक्टेड फ्रॉम ईच एंड एवरीवन. तो आप बोलोगे सिंपल है 1,000 डिवाइड बाय 20, बट इट मे हैपन दैट बीच में 5 स्टॉप्स हैं, तो कुछ लोग फर्स्ट स्टॉप पे उतर जाएंगे, कुछ लोग सेकंड, कुछ लोग थर्ड. सो इट विल बी इनजस्टिस इफ आई चार्ज द सेम अमाउंट. देन व्हाट आई विल डू इज I will calculate passenger kilometer. For example, how much kilometer bus runs and for how much kilometer each passenger goes. So passengers multiplied by respective kilometer is called as passenger kilometer. Total cost divided by passenger kilometer comes cost per passenger kilometer. Add the profit, you will get collection per passenger per kilometer. एक पैसेंजर को 1 किलोमीटर के लिए कितना चार्ज होगा. Per ton kilometer on the same lines, if it is transportation, 1 टन सामान 1 किलोमीटर लेने के लिए कितना खर्चा होता है. total cost divided by total tons in a truck in that trip. Multiplied by kilometers per room day. On the same lines, what is my total cost of my hospital or a hotel divided by number of rooms occupied. Occupied in the sense maybe I am having 100 rooms available, but 80% ही occupancy होती है. So 80 rooms I will have to take and multiplied by number of working days, that is room day, and then cost or collection divided by room days. Occupied rooms comes to the per room day. So this was all about the operating costing, a special tool for all those who are involved in the service sector. Thank you.